Good evening. I would like to take this opportunity to welcome everyone to our annual open house. If I haven't had the chance to meet you, my name is Patty Fry and I'm the principal here at South. As I have shared in a number of communications this year, we've had a great opening to the school year. Tonight, we ask that you follow your child's schedule and report to all classes as listed. There are also a number of student fundraisers this evening throughout the school, and our school culinary bakery is open. As you know, we have again this year put a big focus on the concept of students keeping their phones away during classes. While I understand I'm not winning a popularity contest with the students, I've been really impressed with both the staff and students' commitment to this initiative. We're seeing that our students are less distracted with the phones away, and most importantly are engaging in person with one another. We'll be keeping this heightened focus on phones throughout the year. Last year was our first year, and we had a few hiccups, but year 2 is already better, and it's something we're committed to. This week has been very exciting at Plymouth South. As you may have heard, today we went gold for pediatric cancer awareness. We hosted Dr. Jane Goodall on Monday, as well as an a cappella group, All in the House, who performed on both the Today Show and America's Got Talent. And Saturday is the annual homecoming dance. The students are a tremendous group, and we're fortunate to have you all as part of our school community. Tonight you will be dismissed via the intercom after each class, and I encourage you to continue to follow your child's work after tonight's open house through our Aspen system, which is updated regularly by our teachers. Students should also know to refer to their Google Classrooms, as they're updated a great deal, and the consistency of Google Classroom is one positive that did come out of the pandemic. Finally, the Plymouth schools are a one-to-one technology district, and you will see teachers using the devices regularly in classroom instruction. So students are expected to have these charged devices each day. If they don't have one yet, please stop up to the library. We have devices and parent permission slips. As always, we work hard to communicate regularly with families, but we understand it's a large school, so do not hesitate to reach out at any time with questions or concerns. We are far from perfect, but our continual goal is to help your children navigate their path to graduation and beyond. Thank you for being here tonight and supporting the Plymouth South community. Have a great night.